Alright guys, welcome. Today we're hiking deep in the forest. Looking for a spot right now. I think we're getting pretty close. It's pretty cloudy, dark today. I hope it rains a lot tonight, but I don't think it's gonna rain too much, just a little bit. So hopefully we get some rain. Test out the new tent again. But yeah, we're just hiking. Sarang's down there. I think we're getting pretty close to a spot. Beautiful, cool day, cloudy, but still a nice day. So yeah, we've been hiking about half an hour, not too far. It's a pretty short hike to the spot that we are looking to get. All right, so we're gonna continue on and I'll see you guys when we get there. We made it. We found this perfect flat spot here. Really a nice spot here. We're surrounded by very tall trees. Yeah, a lot of tall trees here. Not sure if there's any dead woods around to gather later tonight for a fire, but we'll go look for some. Beautiful hike today. Cloudy, so it was very nice and cool and refreshing. Not hot at all. A lot of birds around. So yeah, I think this is a good spot. I'm gonna try and find a stick so we can set up a tarp, test out this new tent again. So let's go ahead and set up our camp and call it home for the night. Alright, we found this perfect branch here. I was just laying dead in the middle of the forest. So this is perfectly straight. It's perfect for putting up the tarp. Tent's finally all set up. That took a lot longer than expected. This tarp here, first time trying to set it up like this, and it took me a long time to figure out how to set it up like this, but I got it up and it's looking great. So I know next time will be a lot faster for sure, but it's a good learning experience. Yeah, so we're pretty much all set up now. Just gotta grab the gear inside the tent and let's set up our tent inside. I'm not gonna film too much, probably not filming too much inside the tent setting up, just because we're running pretty late trying to set up this tarp. But yeah, I like this setup so far. It's really nice, protect us from the rain. I wanna get this tarp further out in front, but I wanna make a fire in front of us, so we can't get it too far out. Yeah, looking pretty good right now, and I want to set up the wood stove inside our tent too, just to keep us warm tonight, because it does get pretty cold at nighttime tonight. Temperature is dropping even though summer is coming pretty soon, but today is pretty cloudy, and I checked the weather, it get down pretty cool. So just want to get a wood stove going tonight, get nice and cozy for us. Alright, let's go ahead and get our gear inside the tent and relax for a bit. Alright guys, we're all set up, ready for enjoying the evening tonight. It's been raining, but it's pretty light. Just mostly we've been covered by a lot of tall trees here, so Yeah, the rain just comes and go, pretty light. So not a whole lot of rain today. Yeah, looks like the rain's slowing down again. All right, for now we're just gonna take our time, relax, and then I gotta set up the wood stove inside the tent. Then we'll go get some firewood and make our dinner. But for now, just gonna take our time, enjoy the afternoon for a bit, and just relax in here, listen to the rain. Alright, the stove's all set up, rain stopped, and the birds, a lot of birds are out. And every now and then the sun would peek out, get some nice sunlight. It's really nice, especially after the rain. Everything is so fresh, beautiful and refreshing. Lots and lots of birds are out. They're chirping everywhere. So many birds here, that's crazy. See so many different kind of birds. You can see hummingbirds, there's woodpeckers, blue jays, and a bunch of small little birds that I don't even know, but a bunch of big ones too. Yeah, they're flying all over the place. Wow, there's so many. Alright, for now, I'm gonna go get some firewood, get some wood, and get our fire going so we can start our dinner. And yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Right, Sarang? that was quite a workout. Getting all this big log, carrying all this big log over to the camp was very tiring, and it got really hot, so I had to take off my jacket. So got pretty sweaty. But it was a good workout. I got most of the wood already split and ready to go. So Sarang was just resting here inside the tent the whole time. It's nice and relaxed and rest now. So I'm gonna start the fire, get the fire going, and then get our dinner going. Kind of get the fire pit going first, and then get the wood stove going. I want to grill some meat on the fire in front of us, and I want to cook some rice and vegetable on the wood stove. So just gonna start the fire, get our dinner ready, and just enjoy the evening and get ready for the night. Alright, let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, it's that time of the evening, dinner time, and I know Sarang's hungry, and I'm hungry too. That was a good workout, getting all this wood for the fire. It was quite a distance carrying all those big logs back here, but it was a good workout for sure. I like doing that once a week. It's kind of a workout for me, since I haven't been going to the gym lately, so I say that's a little good workout instead of going to the gym. But yeah, that was really good. So yeah, we're ready to eat our dinner. But first, I got Sarang's dinner first. He got some dry kibbles and some homemade food here. With some rice, turmeric, cauliflower, broccoli, and beef in here. Just gonna mix that together for her. And for myself, I got some asparagus. I'm just gonna boil this. Just gonna boil the asparagus, and got my favorite pop. It's lime flavor today. This is my favorite pop of all time. It's made from sugarcane, so really good, and also local. And I also cooked some rice, and then got some pork skewer. One of my favorite pork skewer marinade. It's a Maui marinade pork skewer. Got it from a butcher shop. One of my favorite butcher shops. It's a Maui pork skewer. I'm not sure what kind of marinade that is, but yeah, delicious. One of my favorite pork skewer marinade. So let's get that going. Got the fire ready for us to grill that pork, and then I got the wood stove over there burning really well, keeping us warm right now. And then I'm just gonna boil the asparagus on that, and then we'll call that for dinner. Alright, my dinner is finally ready. I'm excited for this. I am hungry. Alright, let's get started. Oh, the pork is so good. The marinade and the smokiness of the wood. Wow. So good. Asparagus cooked perfectly. Cooked and still crunchy. Has a crispy texture in the center. Alright guys, dinner's done. We're all cleaned up. Sarang's inside the tent. She's tired, so let her rest for a bit before I wake her up, and we'll do a little walk outside here before we head to bed. But it's getting dark. It's not pitch black yet, but it's getting dark. So yeah, dinner was great. 4 skewer. That was quite a lot of meat, but yeah, it's really great. It was really good. I just something about cooking meat on a open fire, on a wood fire. Just so much better than a gas fire. But yeah, everything was good. Got enough wood here for the night. Got the wood stove in there burning as well. Keep us warm. Keep the tent inside warm. I'm not gonna keep it all night long. Just before we just gonna keep it for as long as we can. But yeah, we got plenty of wood for the night. Beautiful night, very calm. All the birds are gone. There was so many birds this afternoon and this evening, but they're all gone now. Whew. So for now, I'm just gonna hang around the fire, sit here, relax, enjoy the night for a bit, and then me and Sarang's gonna have a little walk outside before we head to bed. It's gonna be bedtime pretty soon, so I think I'm just gonna call it here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning, guys. Phew, very nice, refreshing morning. It rained a couple times last night, but not a whole lot. Tent holding up pretty well, maybe because of this tarp, so didn't really get wet inside at all. It's all dry. We had a good sleep last night. Woke up later than I normally wake up, an hour later, but it's okay. It was a good sleep. So it looks like the sun is starting to peek out from the tree, and the birds are all. Ooh, there's a woodpecker. Yeah, the birds are out really early in the morning too. Probably like 5 a.m. or 4 a.m. that they were out. So probably 5. But yeah, they were out very early in the morning. Lots of them. That woodpecker. Anyways, it's gonna get a Sarang breakfast going, and then I was gonna grab a cup of tea. All right, so I got Sarang's breakfast going, and then I'll grab my cup of tea. Then we'll pack up and get out of here. Just tea this morning, no coffee. Something for a change. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Just about to finish my cup of tea, and then start packing up and get out of here. Got quite a few things to pack up. But beautiful morning. A lot of birds around. Crazy amount of birds here. I've never been to a place where there's so many birds. But yeah, it's crazy. It's just all morning. But really, really nice and relaxing. I really like it. And it's very cloudy right now, so the sun just comes and goes very quickly. Right now, there's no sun. But yeah, it just comes and goes very quickly. Yeah, we had a nice little walk around the forest. For the most part, it was really, really sunny when we were walking, and now it's like there's no more sun. But it was really nice. Refreshing morning, a lot of birds, sun here and there, very nice, peaceful and calm, a lot of birds, a lot of tall trees. So I'm just gonna wrap up here, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.